Thunderstorm activity is ramping up across the country, and by Friday we see thunderstorms increasing across eastern Australia, and these will peak on Saturday. Let's begin though with a look at the thunderstorm outlook map, starting off with today, and the focus is very much across Western Australia and also into central parts of the country. We have an area in yellow where severe thunderstorms are possible, and an area in red where severe thunderstorms are likely. And through these areas we could see heavy rain, damaging winds and large hail. It is a fairly remote part of Australia, but we could see impacts all the way from the northern goldfields into southern parts of the NT. Thunderstorms also possible across northeastern parts of Queensland, and about the northeast tropical coast we could see pockets of heavy rainfall through the day. And over the next few days we'll see this area of thunderstorms gradually progress towards the east coast. We'll see that straight away on Thursday. Thunderstorms are possible all the way from the top end into southern parts of South Australia, still an area where severe thunderstorms are possible across central Australia. And in Queensland, thunderstorms start to dip a little bit further down into the southern interior and also become a little bit more likely. And then on Friday, a number of weather systems do merge and thunderstorms are possible over a very broad area of Australia. Again, across the west and interior and across eastern Australia, thunderstorms are possible across southern and southeastern parts of Queensland, northeast New South Wales and southern parts of South Australia, even pushing into Western Victoria. And severe thunderstorms are possible in some areas. Now these maps you see here are dynamic and will change, and we will be providing updates as well as an analysis for Saturday, so do keep in touch with our updates as we head into the weekend. And storms, particularly severe storms, can cause impacts. First, rain can wash away dirt and secondary roads, causing transport disruptions. Wind can cause damage to trees and property, and heavy rain and large hail can cause impacts to agricultural communities that are now starting to enter the harvesting season. And one way to look at thunderstorm activity is through precipitable water. This is a measure of how much water vapor is in the atmosphere. The darker the blue shades, the higher the precipitable water, and this is one measure of thunderstorm severity as well as how broad the areas can be. On Wednesday, we do see some high levels starting to get into Western Australia and also along the east coast, but over the next few days, we'll start to see this precipitable water values really increasing across central Australia, and that's being dragged down by surface trough and also increasing across the east coast. Pushing into Friday, we do see these higher values getting all the way into southern Queensland and northeast New South Wales, and these values will peak on Saturday. We can see high levels of precipitable water all the way from the northwest of the country and down into the southeast. So let's have a closer day-by-day look now. Starting off with Wednesday today, we do see thunderstorms across interior parts of Western Australia, possible heavy falls about the Western Australia NT border and also in towards northwestern parts of South Australia. On Thursday, this system starts to move towards the east, and we do see rain increasing across central Australia, and also a few thunderstorms and showers pushing into the Eyre Peninsula and down towards the Adelaide Metro, also increasing across southern interior parts of Queensland. On Friday, we do see this activity really ramping up across the east coast, including for southeastern Queensland, northeast New South Wales, and the low pressure system south of South Australia will generate some quite unsettled conditions through there. Saturday is the peak day. We'll see the activity gradually ramping up through the day, really peaking into the afternoon and evening. We can see here that by Saturday evening, thunderstorms are possible all the way from central and eastern parts of New South Wales up into Queensland and into the north of the country. And we can expect to see severe thunderstorms possibly across populated areas on Saturday afternoon and evening. So with large areas of thunderstorms to come across large parts of the country, do stay up to date with the latest information, forecasts and warnings as we head into the weekend. You can get these on our website and our app. Follow us on social media, and as always, please stay safe.